Hello, I'm Derek Weekly with Airstream Answers. Today we're going to talk about the air conditioning system in the Classic. I want to cover the proper startup and shutdown sequence for your air conditioners. This will actually give you a lot longer life of your air conditioners and it'll be safer for you. You always want to make sure. We've just parked the coach. We're at the power pole getting ready to plug in. First thing we want to do, in case the guy before us just yanked his cord out, which he's really not supposed to do, we want to look for the breaker. Now our neighbor has taken the 50 amp. Now we do have a 50 amp coach here, but we only have a 30. So we're going to make sure that the 30s are shut off, the breaker is off. So now we can safely plug in. Being that we have a 50 amp coach, we can run it on a 30 amp plug, but we're only going to be able to run one AC. Now that we're plugged in, now I can turn the breaker on. Now we have power. Let's go inside. Controls are found in the screen here, and what you'll do is there's a thermometer here. You'll turn that on and you'll see your front and rear air conditioner. This is the temperature it is inside. This is the temperature that it's set for, and then you can change from auto to heat pump or to cool just by touching the screen. On the 30 Classic, I'm going to show you where the circuit breakers to the air conditioner are in case one of those is tripped. If you have power but yet your air conditioner won't come on, one will, the other one won't, more than likely it's your circuit breaker. So what we're going to do is, underneath the closet in the hallway, the front panel, just pull that off, and this is your circuit breaker panel. There's two of these circuit breakers, one for the rear air, one for the front air. They are marked, and you would see one tripped like that if it was tripped. So you're just going to look in here and just reset it, and you should have air conditioning. Okay, we're back at the power panel. We're getting ready to leave. So what we're going to do, we've already shut the air conditioner off inside, so we're not just taking a running air conditioner and pulling the power from it. We're going to shut the breaker off, make sure everything's off. I'm Derek Weekly with Airstream Answers. Thank you for watching our video. I'm here at Airstream of South Florida in sunny Fort Myers. If you have any questions about this video or any of the other videos, please give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen. And if by chance this video didn't cover the problem that you're having, feel free to contact our service department. We are one of the largest dealers in the country. We have over 140 service bays to service you. Thank you.